What's going on, everyone? So I just did another deposit, and as you can see just now, $50 synthetics account. So I want to see if we can flip this. So you can see I had some small trade here that just closed up, no problem. So as you can see, this actually derive real account, synthetic account. So we are actually on 50, no trades open. So we want to see if we can be able to get some trades and flip this account. What's up, everyone? So this is the progress. I want to show you the progress of the account. So I just did a deposit like I showed you in the previous clip a few minutes ago, and I saw an opportunity on 75. Look at that. We started there, then we were going on, then I scaled in, then I waited for the market to give the market space to continue, scaled in again, then look at that, the market moved stronger like that, and then now look at what's going on. Look at that, $62. We flipped the account in just a single day, just some few hours. We've already flipped the account. So yeah, so now it's time to hit TP, then withdraw the profit. That is it, guys. Look, real account. What's going on, everyone? So today we are doing account growth. Okay, now I know I've been doing flipping accounts. Now I want to do account growth, how to grow a small account. So you're going to grow this $20 into $100. As you can see, last week there is nothing. Today I just did a deposit, as you can see, and you can see $20. See, it's a real account. So the plan was to grow the $20 to $100, and as you can see, guys, that's a deposit there. Let's see, I've been taking some losses and profit, but at the end of the day, the profits are higher than the losses. And you can see already we made a profit of 38.78. So you can see deposit, the balance, that is that. Then we have a running trade. So currently we are at equity of 61. We are growing it to $100. It is possible to grow a small account to a big account. All right, guys, watch out for part 2. We'll keep flipping this account until it gets to $1,000. All right, cheers, guys. What's up, good people? So I'm here to give you the account breakdown. So you can see that we started from $20, and I've been making some profits and closing the losses once I notice that I'm wrong, and holding the profits to recover and to make money. You can see that the deposit of 20, we made a profit of 83.95 already. We started this journey on 19th, and today is 22nd, so we've already hit the $100 mark, and you can see we are actually in profit. V75 is in profit, 75 1S in profit, and 100 Ox 1S is in profit. The reason why I'm using the small lot size is because of risk management. All right, guys, so watch out for the next part. The journey is to grow it from $20 to $1,000. Keep it locked and keep being awesome, guys. Cheers.